So you're trying to be a producer, but you have no idea where to start, right? Well, you came to the right place. I'm Rio from the Des and Rio duo, and in today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to start producing today. So before you can actually start producing, you're going to need what's called a DAW, or a digital audio workspace. This is software known as like FL Studio or Ableton. This is the main software you're going to be using that lets you start producing. What I would recommend doing is checking out a bunch of different videos that review each one, and then you get a feel for which one is your preference. They all do basically the same thing. Des and I use Ableton. It's just preference. That was what he showed me when I first started producing, but I'll post some links down below where you can get a better idea of what each one does. Just choose what looks nicest to you. That's basically it. What looks like it has like the best interface and something that you can be comfortable with. I like Ableton because of the color coding, the grouping, the automation, the file library. It's just right there. But that's just me, my own personal preference. Everyone has their own and they all do the same thing. So I would just look at some videos that go over each one and then just choose which one is your preference. The next thing you're going to want are VSTs, or virtual studio technology. These are like synthesizers and stuff that's going to help you make the music. The difference between this and the DAW is like the grand organizer. VSTs are like the meat of the sandwich that helps you make all the individual sound. A popular one that a lot of producers use today is Xfer's Serum. Splice actually has a program out that's rent to own. You pay 10 bucks a month and then eventually you're gonna own it and then you're done. It's a great program. It's 100% doable. And if you're not trying to make the commitment, it's fine. There's a plenty of free VSTs out there that still help you make sound. But again, Xfer Serum, probably one of the best tools that a lot of people are using today to make a lot of sounds. So another big tool that you're going to need as a producer are sample packs. These are going to be like the core of your songs. These are going to be your drums. These are going to be your fills, your effects, vocals. And I want to let you know now that as you get more into the scene, you're going to hear a lot of mixed reactions and feelings about samples. A lot of people are going to tell you, if you use samples, you're not original, you're not creative. Don't listen to that. At the end of the day, if your song sounds good, that's all that matters. When it comes to samples, there's audio engineers all over the world who are trying to sell their stuff. A lot of them will put out free samples for you to mess with to kind of get you interested in their stuff. But with that being said, there's a lot of free samples out there too. Use the internet to your disposal. Just get a bunch of free sample packs. Again, these are going to be your kicks, a lot of your root sounds, which will help you out. Now, headphones are going to be one of the most important tools that you're going to have. And the ones that I use are these Audio Technicas right here. And the reason that I use these is because they level out all the frequencies compared to headphones like Beats or, any other brand. Other brand headphones, they like to bump the frequencies up to make things sound better, which is fine when you're listening. But when you're producing, you need everything to be level so that when you're making a song and you show it to people, if they're listening to Apple headphones or on a speaker, everything comes out sounding the same, which is the goal. With that being said, I think it's going to cover just about everything you need to start producing music. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to drop them below and I will respond the best that I can. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you all later.